4 cubic. You can choose tilting blend, semi-U blend, angle blend, local blend, or core blend according to different work conditions. This track, the weather of the track is 560 millimeter. The number of the track shoe is 38 of each side. Let's see the wrapper at the back of the bulldozer. At the back of the bulldozer, this is a rig. It's a 3-tooth rig for your choice. The engine is 175 kW, featuring strong power, high efficiency, energy saving, and low maintenance cost. The cab provides super large interior space and broad vision. The electronic control, hand and foot accelerators guarantee more accurate and comfortable operation. You can choose air condition and heating systems if you need.